The Emura non-stick frying pan is a great addition to any kitchen. It's a 10-inch skillet. The pan has a professional-grade aluminum construction. This helps it heat up quickly and evenly. You will notice how well it cooks your food. The non-stick coating is fantastic because food slides right off. Cleaning is a breeze, and you won't spend ages scrubbing. Plus, it's PFOA and PTFE free. This makes it a healthier choice for your diet. This Emura non-stick frying pan is also very versatile. You can use it on all stovetops, including induction. It's even oven safe, so you can start cooking on the stove and finish in the oven. This is super handy for dishes like frittatas or finishing poultry. The scratch-resistant surface is a big plus. It means your pan will stay looking new for longer, and you won't have to worry about metal utensils scratching it easily. It's not just a pan. It's a work of art in your kitchen. If you are looking for a reliable and easy-to-use frying pan, consider the Emura non-stick frying pan. Many customers have placed orders and are happy with their purchase. The pan offers excellent value for its price. It simplifies cooking and cleanup. While it might not be a subscription service or a collectible item from Mexico, its quality and performance speak for themselves. Its current status is a highly recommended kitchen tool for anyone looking for a dependable non-stick pan without any over-the-top claims. The OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: non-stick coating, professional cookware, aluminum material 10-inch size, PFOA and PTFE free, scratch resistant, induction safe, oven safe, all stovetops, easy cooking. Cons: heavy feel, slight sticking, handle design, not fully clear, long-term use, handle gets hot. Scratch resistance, dishwasher safety, high heat cooking, requires care. Features: non-stick, frying pan 10-inch size, professional, aluminum, non-stick coating, PFOA free, PTFE free, scratch resistant, induction safe. This 10-inch Emura frying pan is a professional grade non-stick pan made of aluminum. It has a special coating so food doesn't stick, and it's also scratch resistant. This pan is safe to use on all kinds of stovetops, even the ones that use magnets. Induction: you can even put it in the oven. Plus, it's made without harmful chemicals called PFOA and PTFE, making it a good choice for cooking. The 10-inch Emura non-stick frying pan is a professional-grade aluminum skillet designed for easy cooking on all stovetops, including induction. It boasts a PFOA and PTFE-free non-stick coating that is scratch-resistant, oven-safe, and has a heavy feel. While it generally offers easy cooking with slight sticking reported by some users, the handle design is not fully clear, and it can get hot with long-term use. Although advertised as scratch-resistant, it requires care, and dishwasher safety is uncertain, making it important to use with caution, especially at high heat.